Is starting a painting business a good idea? Hi, Lee Casano here from painting-business.com. Is starting a painting business a good idea? Oh yeah, when you consider the markets that you have available to you. You've got residential painting, specialty painting, like faux and mural painting. You got commercial painting, industrial painting. The whole world needs a paint job. I chose residential, commercial, and specialty painting, but not all at once. I started with a residential painting business, and commercial painting actually came with it over time. And later on, I developed a specialty painting add-on service which pays well too. Specialty painting and commercial painting generally pay you higher than residential painting, but all of them can pay you well. Is starting a painting business a good idea? Go for it. There is unlimited amounts of money awaiting you, and remember, the whole darn world needs a paint job. To find out more, plus get some estimating and advertising help, see painting-business.com. To see more about specialty painting, see amazingstarmurals.com. Please scroll down below for my live links to these two. Plus, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel if you will.